Hi, welcome to our new video. In this video we learn HTML colors. HTML colors are specified with predefined color names, or with RGB, hex, HSL, RGBA, or HSLA values. Color names. In HTML, a color can be specified by using a color name. Background color. You can set the background color for HTML elements. Example. Text color. You can set the color of text. Example. Border color. You can set the color of borders. Example. Color values. In HTML, colors can also be specified using RGB values, hex values, HSL values, RGBA values, and HSLA values. The following three div elements have their background color set with RGB, hex, and HSL values. The following two div elements have their background color set with RGBA and HSLA values, which add an alpha channel to the color. Here we have 50% transparency. Example.